Street Angels is a short cinematic film about compassion in a world that moves too fast. Every day, abandoned cats struggle to survive on our streets, searching for food, warmth, and safety among traffic, noise, and indifference. Too often, their lives end suddenly, hit and killed by cars, unnoticed and unnamed. But there are people who refuse to look away. Street angels are ordinary individuals driven by empathy and responsibility. They stop when others pass by. They rescue the injured, protect the vulnerable, and mourn those who were lost. This film follows their quiet acts of courage, moments of care that restore dignity to lives forgotten by society. This is not just a story about animals. It is a story about humanity. Through cinematic visuals and emotional storytelling, Street Angels reminds us that every life matters, no matter how small, that compassion is a choice, and that even one act of kindness can change the world for someone who cannot ask for help. Support our short film, Save Lives,